Today I'll discuss an important formula which is applicable for improper fractions, and that is the dividend is equals to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. We can understand, we can verify this with the help of an example. So I'm starting with an improper fraction, say 76 upon 4. This is improper fraction, and you can divide keeping 76 inside, and long division method we know 4 is the divisor. And how many times 4 is 7 or less than 7? It is 1 times 4. Then we subtract for the remainder. It is 3. Then we copy this 6, 36, and 4 9 times is 36. When we subtract, 0 is the limit. So 19 is the answer. You can say that 76 over 4 is equal to 19. Next, you can multiply, you can cross multiply, and you can write 4 on the right hand side multiplied by 90. So check what was this 76. 76 was the dividend. This was the divisor, and 19 is the quotient. So 19 multiplied by 4 is 76. I can write from here that 76, which is the dividend, is equal to divisor multiplied by the quotient. Okay, but in the result, in the formula, we have plus remainder. To understand this thing, why plus remainder is there, let us solve another example. Example number 2 is say 77 over 4. 77 over 4. So this time 77 is the dividend. So divide 77 and 4 here. 1 times 4. Remainder is 3, 7. How many times 4 is 37 or less than 37? It is 9 times 36. Then remainder is 1. So here again we have the same quotient. Dividend is here, and 4 is the divisor. 4 is the divisor. But here we have remainder. In the previous case, the remainder was 0, and we stop this process of division when the remainder becomes smaller than the divisor. So 1 is the remainder. Now what you can do, I can write over here this type of statement that 70, in this case the 76 was equals to 4 multiplied by 19, but here 77 is not just 4 multiplied by 19, because 4 multiplied by 19 is 76. So plus 1 I'm writing here. So again, dividend, which is 77, 4 is the divisor, multiplied by 19 quotient, plus remainder. So we have important formula that dividend is always equals to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder, and if remainder is not there, just write divisor multiplied by quotient. Now the next is from this formula you can find another result which you can use here in numbers or in algebra, that from this result, if we divide both sides by, say, divisor. So here is dividend. So I'm dividing each and every term by the divisor. Dividend over divisor is here divisor. It was multiplied by quotient. Again divide by the divisor. So this I'm doing just to obtain another result. And remainder over. So I divided, this is basic algebra, I divided each and every term by the divisor. So here this divisor goes with this divisor, and you can write next. Okay, dividend over divisor, dividend over divisor. So this is uh, we are discussing this improper fraction. So dividend over divisor is the improper fraction. So I can write over here that improper fraction, improper fraction is, we have quotient, we have remainder over divisor. So any improper fraction can be written as Q for quotient, R for remainder over divisor. So keep in mind that any improper fraction can be written as quotient plus remainder over divisor. Any improper fraction can always be written in the form quotient plus remainder if there's some remainder there. Again, this is important result. Keep in mind this result. This is applicable for the numbers and for the in algebra as well. So any improper fraction can be written as quotient plus remainder over divisor. So here, uh, quotient plus remainder over divisor. Let us start with this second example. It was 77 over 4. 77 over 4 is quotient was 19 plus 1 was the remainder, and the divisor was 4. So quotient 19, remainder 1, divisor 4. So 77 over 4 can be written as 19 plus 1 upon 4. So whole number and then a proper fraction. This is same as if you write 19 whole number 1 over 4. So 19 whole 1 over 4 is actually 19 plus 1 over 4. So uh, any improper fraction can be written in the mixed number as a mixed number 19 whole 1 over 4. So 19 is whole number and 1 over 4 is a proper fraction. So 19 whole 1 over 4. This is the answer. So keep in mind these two important results. Thank you.